Speed up my presentation because time is running out. I said this week I would demonstrate how to draw and shade glass. As you can see, I've already drawn out the shape of my bottle and I have indicated where my highlights are going to be. Remember, the highlights follow the form of the bottle. Normally you'll get a bright highlight inconsistent with the direction of light, and you will get a secondary highlight as light bounces in from other directions. But this would be your strongest highlight. Now, the middle of the bottle, you can see through the middle of the bottle because it is a wide open area. But as the bottle moves around, you won't be able to see as much information because the thickness of the glass comes into the reckoning. Now, I have put in my juice. The first thing you must do is put in all the information first. I've drawn in the bottom of the bottle. I've drawn in my juice. The light comes from above. It will shine on top of the juice. Remember, the highlight is stronger than any other piece of information. So the highlight is stronger than the information behind it. So we see the highlight, not the information behind it. Now, I have now got to make my bottle shine. I've said it before and I'll say it over and over again. At the point where light doesn't shine, you get a dark tone. The tone on the bottle is much darker than the tone on the label because the label is made out of paper, but the bottle is made out of dark glass. So the tones on the bottle are going to be stronger than on the paper. Remember that paper also has a little edge. Now, right on the edge of the bottle, you're going to get a highlight. So just leave the edge of the bottle light. But at the part nearest to me, that is where I want my strongest highlight. Now, the form of the bottle is starting to face the direction of light here. So this part of the bottle would be slightly lighter. Whenever it is a round object, you always get stripes. This little rim here would probably put a little shadow on the bottle. It's facing down. I think we should be somewhere there. I think somewhere there will do us for now. This is where I want to get my strongest highlight, where the bend in the bottle bends the most, consistent to the direction of the light. These other ones, because they're also facing upwards, are also going to attract light. Now, your objects which are in your area may also be reflected in the bottle. My letter E, for instance, it's possible I can see the letter E in my bottle because the bottle reflects. It depends on how I've shaded this. Going to show in my bottle. Now, I've tried to put in as much information for those of you who didn't quite understand what the exercise was about. I hope the demonstration motivates you to do the exercise.